So I think I'm gonna have to do these in pieces, and Apple is gonna have to do B-roll footage. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Here we go, here we go. So we just got on at Broadway, and we're heading to 59th Street, Lexington Avenue, which is above ground. So we're gonna stay above ground for a little while, and you're gonna see. Apple told me not to use this phrase. What's the money shot? It's the money shot. We're getting the money shot right here. I'll explain it a little bit. So we've got the Manhattan skyline, and we've got some weird stacks. So let's see. We're stopping here. This is 36th Avenue. Right, and we're off again to hopefully see the skyline that I've been telling you guys about. We're heading to this place called 39th Dutch Kills. I don't really know that much about it. Just moved here like 7 months ago, so we're still exploring things and wondering about these stacks. I don't know what these stacks are. Apple said they might be like a Manhattan Project type thing, but who knows? Is where the underground starts. It's a super short video. We were talking about luxury rentals earlier. A lot of these buildings are either being built or they're turning into luxury housing because of gentrification. So pushing the well, as you see, there's like very little track. It's terrifying. I don't know if it's terrifying to you, but it is to me. So gentrification, people coming in from Manhattan who can't afford it anymore or want more of the suburban life, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, full disclosure, I do live in Astoria, which is kind of like a suburb of Manhattan, so full disclosure. Qeensboro Plaza.
Qeensboro Plaza, transfers level for the 7 train. This is the Manhattan in train, next stop, 59th and back.
I showed you the track. It's terrifying. There's like the railing, there's nothing there. But, you know, you work all day, you can't worry yourself about these things too much, or else you'd never leave the house in New York City. So I think we're about to go underground. We're going deeper underground. There's too much fighting in this town. You know, there's a whole history about graffiti that I don't know. I know there was like a building where there was all this graffiti and they tore it down. Gentrification, orthodontist, T-Mobile, ideal image. So a lot of development. And there we got some stacks. If anyone can identify them, can you put it in the comments? Yeah.